Hi kids and welcome to
Eco Drawing channel.
Today we are going to learn how to draw a mango. First draw a mango stick. Draw a small line at the bottom of the stick. The mango hangs here by sticking to the stick. Now draw a downward curve from the stick and stop here. Similarly, draw another downward curve on the opposite side of the stick. Draw another downward curve between the two lines. Then draw the leaf. Draw two small horizontal lines parallel to the center of the stick. Draw a curve forward and back again and match it with the horizontal second line. Now draw the veins in the middle of the leaf. Alright, our mango drawing is done. Now we will paint the mango. First we paint the mango peel. Ripe mango peel is yellow color. We'll now color yellow. Mango leaves are green in color. We give green color to the leaves. Alright, mango, you can hang on the tree now. Let's write the word mango. Find a space on the top of your drawing and let's first by writing the letter M A N Z O. Thanks for following along.
Eco Drawing channel.
Click on our next video to make another fun drawing and be sure to subscribe to see all of our new videos that we have coming up. Thanks and see you again soon.